Hey y'all, this is Ghost. So, sorry for not posting any videos for a long time. Like I've been saying in the past videos I've posted, I did start uni, so, my schedule is a little bit hectic. I am in winter break right now, so, yeah. I am able to film this video right now, but no promises that I'm going to be filming anything else, because this whole YouTube drama has killed my entire drive for filming at all. But I heard it's starting to get resolved, so, yeah. Hopefully this video, nothing is going to happen to it. I am going to be reviewing something that could be considered child's content, but as you know, I am a grown adult now, and, my hobbies may tend to be kind of childish, but none of my videos are actually targeted towards anyone who is under the age of 13. So just keep that in mind. Anyway, Happy New Year's, guys! 明けましておめでとうございます。今年もよろしくお願いします。I'm looking forward to whatever this year has in store for us. Yeah. I'm talking so optimistically, but really I have no idea what I'm going to be doing as for videos this year. But yeah, you may be wondering what this giant box in front of me is. This is the Pickles the Frog New Year's Lucky Box. Now, lucky boxes and lucky bags are probably one of my favorite parts of the Japanese New Year tradition. They're basically just bags or boxes filled with stuff from a certain store, usually a store that you usually buy from, and supposedly there is at least twice amount of value that you put into the box when you buy it inside the box with the products and stuff. And these days, with all the complaints about the stuff in the box, etc., the shops would usually just tell you what's inside, getting rid of the whole excitement of the thing, in my opinion. But I get why people do that. But Pickles the Frog didn't do that. They did not tell me anything about what was inside except for one thing, which was a frog-sized tote bag, which I'll be giving to one of my frogs. I'm looking up at my frog shelf as I'm talking. I've also brought the frog himself down here to spectate. Let's open this box. So now the box is open, and I'll just live react to whatever is in here. So first there's a giant piece of paper, and I'm guessing everything else is underneath it. So let's pull it off. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. Oh, that's a lot of frogs. Oh my. Oh my. That is a lot of frogs. Oh gosh. I was not prepared for this. Oh gosh. Let's go with this thing first. That is a lot of frogs. Holy crap. So this is a kitchen timer with a frog on top. I like that. Not that I ever have a use for a kitchen timer, but I think my mom would like it and she'll let me put it in the kitchen. Oh, it also comes with a cookbook. I don't think I can open this on camera, so I'll just do that real quick. So yeah, here's one of the reasons why this video isn't made for kids. What kid would be happy about receiving a kitchen timer on New Year's Day? I wouldn't have been, that's for sure. But I do like this. It's very cute. It's one of those types where you twist the top to adjust it to the time that you want. I was twisting it the wrong way, but I don't think I can twist it with one hand. Hold on. Just put the camera down for a second. You'll twist it. This is for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, and then all the way to 55 minutes. And then when it moves back to 0, hold on. It should. Yeah, just like that. That's perfect. That's very cute. I used to have a timer like this. It was shaped like a ladybug. And over here we have the cookbook. I don't know what kind of recipes are inside it, but it looks very cute so far. Apparently Pickles himself, the original character, is French. I mean, he was created in Japan, but the character himself is French. I don't know what the deal is, but that's what's with all the French stuff in here, I guess. And so basically we have some French toast, some soup, and some smoothies, and there's just these adorable pictures in between, and it's very cute. That was the breakfast section, and then there's like lunch. That's cute. Alright, it's really hard to open with one hand though, so I'm just gonna put this to the side and move on to the next item in the box. So there is a lot in this box. I'm gonna be honest, I was hoping for a lot more clothing items. I do see like 2 maybe there. But yeah, there's... How many frogs are in here? 5? Aww, you're so fuzzy. Alright, you're cute. Okay, which one are you? You are... I don't think you're Pickles, actually. Each one of these guys has like a name. Okay, you're basically called Acorn. Yeah, I can keep that name. Let's call you Acorn. Alright, and then there's this thing. What is this? Oh, it's one of those pass case thingies. Oh man, I want to use this, but people are going to think I'm insane. But honestly, my old pass case broke and I've been using this really weird looking one, so I want to use this. And it's supposed to look like a cookie, which is also very cute. Ah, it's so cute. Everything in this box is so cute. There's a tiny frog in here too. Oh my gosh. I'm just freaking out over here. So these guys, all 4 of them are like, they have a logo of like a Japanese TV show on it, and apparently Pickles is frequently featured on it. And like, there's like the Japanese word for rain in it, and then like rain and frogs and stuff like that is probably why they made the connection. But basically Pickles is often part of this TV show, so they created a collaborative plushie, and apparently these plushies have been part of the Lucky Box ever since they started the Lucky Boxes. But yeah, I didn't expect to get all of them. Wow, that is a lot of frogs. Oh man. And then, so here's the pink one. I need to name all of these. Some of them already come with names, like Acorn and Pickles, and also Mode maybe. I'll show you who I'm talking about later. But then some I had to name. That's the orange guy. Oh, I forgot to really mention the greenish yellow guy. He looks more yellow on camera, but he looks kind of green to the naked eye. And then here's a small version of him, which is cute. I can put him on my bag. Speaking of putting on my bag, there's some sad news that I ended the last year with, and I've discovered that Dill, Pickles' little brother, is missing. I know he's in my room somewhere. I just cleaned it, so I must have put him away somewhere, but I can't remember. I know he's gonna show up eventually, but I'm kind of sad. Oh my gosh! I really wanted the full-size plushie of this one, but I am still happy. This is adorable. Oh gosh. This is the... I forgot which series this is, but it was like a relatively new series. When I was first introduced to Pickles, this was one of the series that they had. This metal piece is so cool. Yeah, it's actually metal, and it's fogging up because of my warm hands. He is so fuzzy. I'm gonna put him with Acorn. Oh, and here's the other half of Acorn's series. I think this is Pinecone. Let me see this. Yeah, this is Pinecone. And Pinecone also has a full-size plushie, but we have a small version of him. And here are the clothes. We have a Pickles the Frog t-shirt, which is cute. And I think this is the L. Basically, there's a whole bunch of t-shirts, and it all spells Pickles when it's put together, and this is the L from that series. It's cute at meetups and stuff, but I don't go to them very much. Oh, what's this? This is a magnet. That is so cute. I'm putting that on the fridge. Okay, it's supposed to look like this, and he's doing... What are those called? I have no idea, but he's rolling around, I guess. And this is the one thing I knew that was going to be in here. It was the Pickles the Frog 2020 limited edition tote bag, and this is frog size, obviously. So it's supposed to go with your frogs, kind of like that. Alright, your thing is upside down, my dude. Alright, so that's all my frogs. Let's try to get them all in one shot. So these are all the things included in this box. It said over 10,000 yen in value. I paid 5,000 yen for this, and I can see almost immediately how that's possible, because I'm gonna put this in dollars so it's easier for everyone to understand. 5,000 yen is about 50 bucks, and obviously 10,000 yen would be about 100 bucks. Each one of these should be about 16 bucks. So just with that in mind, there's 5 of them here. And then I think these ones, I forgot how much these ones were. Do they say anything on here? Alright, these ones are about 13 bucks each. So, hold on, let me check the tags for each of these. Alright, yeah, this one is 18. I think it's because he's wearing a hat and he has extra accessories on him already. And then, oh, this one's 18 too. I wonder where I got 16 from. Coco was 16, yeah, right. And then this one's 15. I might need to bust out the calculator, but I can already see there's a lot that went into this. Does the kitchen timer have a price tag? We'll just add that up later. But yeah, there's a lot of sentimental value in this. A lot of these frogs were ones that I looked at in the store and actually wanted, so that's good. I will be honest, the TV logo series I wouldn't have gotten myself, but I'm not mad about getting them, you know, because they're cute and I like them. So yeah, this is just sudden addition to the family that I was not expecting at all. Let's just add together the prices and we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna grab my calculator and we'll be right back. Alright, I'm actually excited to share this with you. This is the value that I got. On the website it said over $100 in value. They just went over that. It is probably over $200 in value if I include the tax. Shipping was free. This was amazing! I'm really impressed with the effort that they put into this. This is awesome. I do keep saying that I wish there were more clothing items. Not that I didn't want frogs, but I kind of wish there were more clothing items. It seemed like last year was a lot more clothing oriented. I didn't buy one last year. I didn't know about this last year, so yeah. That's that. But I did look at some photos that people posted last year, and it was mostly clothes, which I was hoping for, but I'm not against this either. My room is now filled with rainbow frogs, and I love it. Let's try putting the t-shirts on Pickles. We'll see how he looks then. So here's Pickles with the tote bag and the shirt. I mean, I was afraid you couldn't wear one of these shirts alone, but it looks good. It's cute. Let's try the other shirt. Aw, this is cute. It has a frog face on it, so it's kind of like faceception, but it's still really cute. This one also has a face on it. But yeah, this shirt is cute too. It's much simpler than the other one, but you know, sometimes simple is what you want to go for. Unfortunately, I don't own any Pickles pants, so he's going pantsless. I do have a dress, which will double as a skirt, but yeah. I still like how he looks in this. A fun detail I like about Pickles clothes is that usually the t-shirts, at least, not all the tops, but t-shirts do come with these hangers, and they're not made out of flimsy plastic. They are solid. They're not gonna break. And so obviously they are reusable. And you can use it to store your Pickles clothes. And it's not just the t-shirts that you can use these with, you can use this with anything. But yeah, I have 2 of those now. I'm really happy about this box. It was definitely worth it. I was kind of worried that I might be disappointed, but it's good. I heard good things about the 2019 one. I'm seeing good things about the 2021. Will I buy this again? Oh, most definitely. This was awesome. It was so much fun. Although I might be running out of space on my frog shelf, so I'm gonna have to reform that again. But, you know, a small price to pay for all these frogs. This was wonderful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys had as much fun as I did opening this box. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video, whenever that's gonna be. Bye!